Hi guys, hope you all are well. The topic that we are going to discuss today may leave a deep impact in your life, and this topic is titled, Angels have a message for young souls. Don't ignore this important message. Discover the power of turning to Allah in times of brokenness and weakness. Read an angel's message on finding solace and comfort through faith. And also, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel so that you get new updates. So without wasting time, let's start talking about today's topic. Have you ever pondered how and when Allah's assistance arrives? With whom does this divine help align? What are the indicators that signal Allah's help is near? Surely your troubled heart awaits Allah's intervention. What are those signs and hidden secrets that unlock the mysteries of the unseen and illuminate your life's journey? Today we'll discuss the signs that precede Allah's assistance. The Quran says, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, have you considered that if Allah extends the night until doomsday, who besides Allah can bring light? Remember, your pain is not hidden from Allah. The Merciful is fully aware of you. He allows hardships only to test their resolve. If Allah didn't want to grant your request, He wouldn't have given you the ability to pray. We offer prayers repeatedly, trusting that Allah may accept them in time. If a prayer remains unanswered today, believe that when it is granted, it will transform your circumstances. Allah never lets His servants down. Keep your heart at ease. He wishes to bless you with His love, and Allah knows everything. Your night vigils and prayers, yearning for your desires, are not unnoticed by God. The one God is not ignorant of you and will open all the gates of help. He Himself waits for you with mercy and good deeds. His blessings are so vast that every creature benefits, from birds in the sky to insects on the ground. It is He who opens the doors of mercy, sending a cool breeze to refresh your heart. If you seek Allah's help, understand that He tests those whose requests He favors. Your sorrow is a challenging trial of faith. But when God breaks His silence and reveals His majesty, it will be a turning point in your life. If thoughts of unanswered prayers make you restless, remember the Quran says Allah knows your heart better than you do. Your silence and unspoken words hold a unique value in Allah's sight. May the benevolent Creator of this material world keep you safe. This God will transform the world beautifully through this chapter whenever He decides to assist you. Just as the night stars after the day testify that the universe is never stagnant. Constant change and progression are found everywhere. The Quran affirms that He is capable of all things. Tell me, who can aid you against Him? If some areas of your life seem troubled and paths to your goals are blocked, understand that not everything is lost. Allah states you are not left to your own devices. In this chapter, a believer's focus should be on Allah, not the world. Otherwise, harmony would be absent in the environment. Even then, maintain complete faith in your God, for He can change time and circumstances as He wills, and this is not a difficult task for Him. If you desire Allah's help, grasp these two things. Remember, Allah's help comes to those with true faith in their hearts, and those with such faith neither despair nor fear under any circumstances. Thank you for watching the video. Do share your opinion in the comments about what you felt from this video and what you think about this video, and Allah Hafiz for the next video.